Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Pallabi and you are watching Life with Tontemon. This video is little different from my previous videos as it will be a review of Camel Fluid Acrylic colors. I am using the sunset shade of the series. It is available in monochrome and aqua shades as well. In this pack you will get a canvas board of 20 by 20 centimeters, an apron and 4 acrylic fluid paints. You need to keep the canvas board on something so that it stays little higher from the surface. Now take a container and tilt it a bit. Pour the colors from the edge, making it layers of colors. Camel Fluid Acrylic Colors Kit is very beginner friendly. Its MRP is Rs 249 but I bought it for Rs 212 from Flipkart. As I have said earlier, it is available in 3 shades, so I bought all of them. In the Sunset series, the colors are brilliant purple, crimson, orange and purple. The colors are vibrant and very pigmented. The consistency of the colors are perfect for fluid painting. However, I found crimson to be little thick in consistency. The canvas board is also good in quality and apt for beginners. The apron is also pretty good. Overall, the kit is a must for beginners or even kids. I tried the fluid painting for the first time and was very much satisfied how it turned out. Then pour the colors on the board. I have used ring pour technique in this painting. And let the colors flow. I would like to share a few of my experiences gathered in this painting so that you can avoid them. Always use a container which is deeper than the one I have used, like a disposable glass. Don't use the colors like a miser. I did it and then I had to pour the colors again. It will make layers of colors on the board. Never use fingers to fill in color on the board, which I did. If you take appropriate quantity of colors, then you won't need to use your fingers. I was lucky this time that I managed to make the painting look flawless, but I know where the flaws lie in this painting. However, you can use fingers to cover the edges of the board. Hope you have enjoyed watching the video. If yes, then like and share it with others and also consider subscribing to my channel if you like the content. Don't forget to click the bell icon with all notification option. Now let it dry. Don't keep it directly under a fan or an AC. My painting took 10 to 12 hours to dry. And lastly, burst the bubbles with the help of any sharp object. See you soon. Till then, happy painting. Thanks. Cheerio.